break. So are you guys able to hear me? Follow me. Finally, go on default. Okay. So initially, we'll check the condition. So the condition, whichever it matches, directly it will jump into that particular. Okay. For example, if I entered 2, then it will simply go to case 2 and it will execute the statement. It will come up with that turn. That's it. So case 1, case 3, case 4, case 5. If no case is matching, then simply it will go to default and it will come out of that loop. That's it. Okay, got it. So any questions here? Can I explain again? Okay, so I'm going for some program now. So it's a easy one only. So guys here, so simple. First initialization is done here. Okay. So console.write line, enter a number. After that, I'm just doing some unboxing concept here. Okay. So here what I'm doing, whatever the number input I'm getting here, simply I'm passing. For example, if I pass 1, simply it will go to case 1. If I pass 3, then what will happen? It will simply go to that case 3. So in which case, what is happen, like if condition 1 is true, it will check there. If that is false, it will go to condition 2. If that is false, the condition 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. But here it's not like that. Based upon our condition, if that matches to our condition, simply it will go and execute. If nothing is matching to our condition, then what is doing here? It will go to default blocker and it will execute. That's it. That's what is happening. So that's why here in our book I have given like performance wise which case is better than if condition. Okay. So can you people note on this one? The switch and syntax. Done. Okay. So let's see the output of this program. What will happen? Raju, you are not done yet. Please complete it. Take that syntax. Okay, fine. So we'll just move to programming here. So simple. What we are writing here, first initialization I have done. So after that, we are doing some unboxing here. Case 1. So equal to, I'm doing something, case 2, case 3, case 4. So performance wise, which case is better than if condition? Okay, but all the concepts are important. Just run that one. So enter a number 1. It printed, right? Yes or no? So see, whatever the condition is matching, it is printing from there. Now what we will do, we will try to enter some file. Is going to where? Default. Okay, got it, guys? So that's it. Okay, do this program. After that, I will give one more beautiful program. Note on this program. I will give one more program on this one. Okay, any questions? Anyone? Okay. Once you people are done with the program, so just confirm me here so that I will also understand. Okay. Okay, so we'll move to one more program. Okay. One important update, guys. I have some personal issue. Tomorrow also we don't have class. So from Thursday we'll have regular classes. No more stoppage from Thursday. So tomorrow we don't have class. So try to practice all the programs. And if anyone have issues, just ping me so that I can help. Yesterday, I have asked you people to write one program with if condition, with all arithmetical options. The same way I have implemented one. Okay, so what we are doing here, initially we need one number. What is the purpose of that number? That is like for checking the condition. Okay, so for that reason we are entering. So here I have taken two numbers, int I equal to 10, j equal to 10. If you want to get those values from command prompt, you can do it. How you will write and enter I comma j values, I equal to int dot parse of console dot read line. So j equal to int dot parse of console dot read line. Okay, fine. So here case one. If someone enter case one, then what will happen? Sum is I plus j. So I value 10, j value 10, 20 value will come. Okay, similarly, if someone enter case 2, then what will happen? So it will display sub value. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, so then after that, what will happen? 10 star 10 is 100. Okay, so like that, and division 10 by 10, 1 will come. Okay, so simple program. So just see here. Let's see what will happen. So I'm entering some 3. 10 into 10 is 100. It came. Similarly, if I enter some 2, so 10 minus 10. So if I enter 5, then what will happen? Got it, guys? People able to understand? Similarly, I have given if I asked you people to write program on if conditional statement. So you can follow the same way, but there you need to add the condition. That's okay. Just note. So Hasni, can you speak? Yes, so
Hello.
Hasni. Yes, so
Yeah,
Hasni.
Vishwa. Actually, we are not declaring variable, right? We are declaring only I and j.
Here,
And we are
int.
doing unboxing directly for n.
No, what is this int?
Okay. We are doing unboxing and declaring in one statement.
So simple. See, so Hasni. So int I equal to 10, right? So here we are directly passing the value. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So same thing.
Okay.
Here
And that
also we
means
are assigning the value.
declaration and unboxing in the same statement, right?
Yeah, we can do that. In that way also we can do.
Okay. Thank you.
No, Sagar, that's what I told, right? So simple. For example, see, so you can have enter I comma j values. After that, what you will do? Okay. So what will happen here? So simply we'll enter I comma j values. So let's see. People should be clear with this unboxing concept now. Why? Because we already done almost 30, 20, 30 programs. What happened?
You are not audible, sir.
No? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Okay, so see here. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'm just starting this. Enter I comma j. So 10, some 65. Enter a number. So I will enter 2, 2 minus 53. It is coming right.
Yes.
So if someone want this one, you people can take up to here, or if you want to complete program, whatever, it's based on your interest. Just note down. So Smita, can you tell me what is your doubt? No, so see, we need to follow syntax, Kiran. Whatever the syntax we told there, the same syntax. So it's inbuilt. We cannot change anything. Okay, got it. So Smita, can you tell me what out, please? Syntax is that one only. So if you know the syntax, again, why we will use that. But anyway, it will throw error. If that doesn't throw error also, we cannot follow. So we people are learning at the basic level. So when we are learning, so that time itself, if you are strong in basics, that will helpful for us, right? That's why. Okay. Yeah, Gauri, please. You can unmute and ask.
Sir, what is the main difference between the switch and if and else? I
Yes, madam.
think it's
Yeah,
somewhat similar, no?
so see, everything, both are like conditional based statements only. That's why they are in one group. Okay, so here what will happen in if condition? So if the condition, see, if here, okay, I remove this one. So what will happen? For example, if you take if else, what will happen? If condition is true, then fine. Otherwise, it will go to else block. There it is checking the condition number one. If that is false, then it is going to condition two, right? That is what else block. So if you are taking nested if, what is happening there? Condition one will check, condition two will check, condition three will check, condition four will check. And coming to else if, what will happen? If condition one is true, then it will go to, it won't check other condition. If condition one is false, it will go to condition two and it will check there. Okay. If condition two is also false, then it will go to condition three and it will check there. So if condition three is also false, it will go to condition four, it will check there. That means, so it will check all the conditions there and it will execute the statements. But here it is what is happening here? Whatever the condition. So switch off what? The parameter. What is this parameter? Whatever the value you are entering. Simply wherever it matches, simply go to that one and it will execute it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you think like this is 5 seconds, 5 seconds. So this is 5 seconds. Okay. So people tell me. So if it is a if condition, then what will happen? For example, just think like this is if and else if else if. How many seconds it will take? Say condition three is true, or you just think like condition four is true. Now what will happen? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 plus this one 4, 20 seconds. It will take 20 seconds to get the output. But in switch case, what is happening? Simply we will directly move into that condition within 5 seconds. Means so there we are taking 20 seconds of time. Here what we are doing 5 seconds of time, which is better in performance. But the both will do same operation, correct? Both will do same operation. It will also check the condition. There also we are checking the condition. So, but in real time, so if for example, if this ATM program, if I that time I teached in what if condition, if the same thing if I repeat in switch case, then what will happen? Simple. You have different cases. Case one banking, case two mini statement, case 3, something else. So simple, what I will do, if user selects banking, then banking equal to 1. I will keep like that. If user selects mini statement equal to 2, like that I will keep. Then what will happen? Whenever user clicks on banking, so this case is matching here, and it will simply move to that particular case and it will provide the output. That's what is happening here. Okay, so got it?
Yes, sir.
So any more questions? Anyone have any more questions? Okay, so see, I hope you people have our book. Just follow that. So see, the difference between other books and our book is, so we have 80 pages here, and other people will have 150 pages, 140 pages or something. But what happened, like, so I kept some programs in our book, but I left so many programs. See, for example, so here we have so many programs. Almost it is like 100 to 150 programs. So if we keep these programs also here, then what will happen? You can add 150 more pages. So 150 plus 80 is what? Okay, we'll add only 120 only. So 120 plus 80, 200 pages. So it's like everyone's book. But what will happen, like, so guys, see here, if I keep some program like this, then simply people will copy here and people will paste here. So then what you will learn here, just tell me, you don't learn anything. So now people tell me, when people are practicing, how many of you got the errors? Even for welcome program, just raise your hand for first time. So people don't need to don't need to feel shy. It's no problem. See, everyone will face the issue there. So some 7 people. I think minimum 15 to 20 people got the output, got the error. Okay. So now one more. So see, so you can down your hand. So see, one thing. What will happen, like, when you people are trying to open, so when you people before joining your .NET, so what happened, so that time, so you don't know how to open Visual Studio also, yes or no? So if you people agree or not, all the 46 47 people who joined here, so everyone will they don't know how to open Visual Studio for sure. Exactly, yes or no? 100% true. So if you people tell me we know also, I don't trust with the people. Maybe some 4 or 5 people may know, like if they're already working, or if they open Visual Studio, but they don't know all the features, right? That's why they are here to learn. Yes or no? Yes. So in that case, uh, so see, that's why. So you will get the errors. So see, then how you will learn? By solving the errors on your own. Okay. So when you are getting error, so you need to check for that error. What is that error? Why it is coming? How to resolve that? Try for it. Spend some time on it. If you're still unable to solve that error, then you can ask me in the group, or you can ask me personally, so that I'm helping, right? Yes or no? So when you start your career in real time, so if you face the same issue there, then what will happen? You can able to solve your own. So if you feel like chalte someone will be there and they will help me. So if you feel like that, then what will happen? See, then what will happen, like, so you need to depend on one of the senior, so your lead or someone. Simple, what you will do, you will go to him and you will ask him for help. Anna, can you please help me, I'm getting one issue here. Then what will happen, he will give me 5 minutes, I'm middle of something, he will ask you 5 minutes, and maybe after 15 20 minutes he will come to you. then he is a senior and he will tell, so you done wrong here, you need to do like this, and he will explain and he will go. Okay, then what you will do, now you will happily go for this tea break in your cafeteria. So you will have beautiful tea with your friends, and after that you will come back. So you will try to do something, and the very next line you will get the error. You don't try anything, you don't do anything, because you don't know anything there. So you are still sitting like say sitting idly. After 1 hour, you will feel some shy and you will go to your team lead again. He will ask you, okay, give me 15 minutes, I will come. Maybe after half an hour, he will come. So he will feel like, okay, where I left the program previously, this guy is still there. He will feel like that. Okay, then what will happen? So, okay, let's see. So then he will help something and he will go. Okay, now you will go for lunch. So again, the same. Okay, you will go for lunch and you will try everything. After that, you don't get anything. And again, you will call your lead. And after that, he will come. This time, he will tell, I'm busy with something. I will ping you when I'm free. After 2 hours or 3 hours, he will come and he will realize like you did not done anything. The next time onwards, when you ping him, Anna, can you come to here? You don't even see your message. See, if you're seeking someone help, if you are keeping some 60-70% of efforts, then you need to tell him like, so I tried all these ways, but I'm not getting the output. This is how beautiful. Then he will think like, okay, this guy is a fresher, but still tried his best. So I know this is complex one. Okay, I will help you. He will think like it and he will help you, which is better. So after seeing your ping, if he is trying to ignore, is that better? Okay, so that's how. That's why I did not give all the programs there. So otherwise, even our book also will have 200 pages or 220 pages. So some people are saying, my MVC people, sir, you are explaining. So I hope some people are here also joining MVC. So you people have seen. So see, the difference between other institutes or other faculties with me is, so if you don't understand, I am ready to explain that for 100 times. So if you still don't understand also, if the class is waste, time is wasted also. So I will teach. So until people got that point, I will try to teach that one. So it's important for me I hear whoever is joining here, so 46 people strength complete or 44 something, I don't know exactly the number. Everyone should learn everything and everyone should know everything, the background of everything. So that's why I always teach everything in real time. So I always follow the coding standards here. So why I'm following the coding standards? So even for naming convention and everything, so that will help you guys when you people started working in real time. So simply whatever you are practicing here, if you follow the same standards in real time, that's it. That's enough for you. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay. So that's what I feel. So guys, whenever you are doing that's why I'm asking you people to practice every time. See, today we teach how many programs? 2 programs. Yesterday we teach 2 programs. So day after that, tomorrow or after something, so tomorrow we'll teach 2 more programs. Then what is happening? See how much time it will take? Tell me. 15 minutes for practicing these 2 programs. If you practice now, then what will happen? The burden on you will reduce. So after completion of your C-sharp, you will realize like, okay, I know I already practiced everything. You will get so much confidence. Okay, that's why practice every day. See, simply if I came here and if I teach the .NET within 2 months or 45 days, I can complete the course. But if I don't motivate you people, see, maybe, sir, we are all grown up guys. Okay, so no problem. See, so your sir is also not too much old, like white hair or something. Maybe someone seen me, but still, somehow some number only. The age is just number only, but I don't want to tell that. But still, see what will happen. Like So you don't need to respect me, but you people needs to respect your .NET. Okay, so that will bring respect to everyone, and that will bring respect to you people in the world. Agree with me? Yes or no? So whenever you're I always tell one quotations to my students. So .NET is like my mother. Why? Because up to some 22 years or 23 years, my mother gave me food. After that, .NET will give me food. Yes or no? So if you learn well, if you get some job, if you are getting 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or something, so you will get the food from .NET only because of .NET. So that's why. So that's why we need to respect our .NET. You don't need to respect our Vishwasar, or you don't need to respect Naresh IT, or you don't need to respect someone. You always needs to respect your what? .NET. Then if you respect .NET, .NET will bring you respect. .NET won't respect you anyway. That will bring you respect in the world. So that will give you everything. Okay. Okay. Fine. So that's what I thought to feel. Thank you, Ankit. So fine. So our next topic is conditional statements. Okay, just I will give introduction, and after that we can I will start that on Monday, next class. Tomorrow is on Thursday. So loops. So see, here, there we are checking the conditions, right, multiple times. But here the loops concept is nothing but, so it will check the condition and it will repeat those condition until the condition fails. So for example, it will check the condition for one time. After that, it will check the condition for second time, third time, fourth time, until the loop got fails or terminated. It will check the multiple conditions at a time, and finally it will provide the output. That is what loops. So we have three types of loops here: while loop, do while loop, and one more is for loop. Okay, so this loops concept is most important. Why? Because in real time, see, when you are writing your console application, one person will see or two persons will see, or based upon you will enter input, or you will do something, you will based upon conditions you are doing. But in real time, it's not like that. So there you will have thousands, lakhs of users will be there. So we need to repeat for multiple conditions. So that's why we'll go for looping statements. That's what I will explain in our next class. Any questions, guys? So I will give 2-3 minutes of time for that. If anyone have, please let me know.